Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS16P6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The MSI MS16P6 is a fantastic device, but unfortunately, it is not immune to wear and tear. A cracked casing can occur due to accidental drops or pressure being applied to the device. If left unresolved, this issue can lead to further damage, such as internal components becoming exposed or even failing due to insufficient protection. To tackle this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement casing specifically designed for the MSI MS16P6. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place the MSI MS16P6 on a soft, anti-static surface. Using the plastic pry tool, gently insert it into the seam of the casing and carefully pry it open. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking other parts of the casing. Once opened, locate the damaged component, which is the outer casing itself. You will typically see screws securing it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, but be cautious to remember where each one goes, as they may vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cracked casing away from the device. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new replacement casing and align it with the device. Ensure that all ports and openings are correctly positioned. Once aligned, gently press the casing into place. Reinsert the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, being careful not to over-tighten them as this may damage the new casing. After securing the casing, gently press down around the edges to ensure a snug fit. Finally, power on your MSI MS16P6 to verify that everything is functioning properly and that the new casing is securely in place. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider using a protective case or sleeve when transporting your device. Additionally, be mindful of your surroundings to avoid accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.